Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google Party company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now, let's move forward to the question I have today. And the question is switch to manual CPC, manual cost per click, second day with zero impressions. Help please in Google Ads. So after being sucked all of my budget in a maximized conversion campaign on the first 2 months of my brand new campaign, I reduced the number of keywords and putting a maximum fee on each. Next day, some of my keywords reported below first page bid 9.4 pounds. Others showed as eligible. My daily budget for this month is 25 pounds. Last month, some clicks costed around 2.50 and others up to 9.50. I'd be happy with about 10 clicks per day. However, the campaign is now dead after switching to manual CPC and putting a price limit. I did this because I spent 50 pounds per day for 3 clicks, so I stopped using max conversions. So far, only had 3 leads of not very good quality, only one good. What can I do to revive it without spending my whole budget in 3 days for useless leads? Okay, there are few things which I like to tell you about it. First of all, install conversion tracking. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to install conversion tracking, because in case if you have installed a conversion tracker, you would have known where the 3 leads came from, and then we can optimize based on that data. So the conversion tracking needs to be that need to be added. And the second is maximize conversion strategy should not be used at the start unless and until we got an ample of leads and Google knows that what data is working well for us. So guys, this is very important thing. Do not use maximize conversions at the beginning of the campaign, but instead use maximize clicks, install the conversion tracking, grab the clicks. And if I had the budget, because of 25 pounds a day budget is very low to work around, so what I may do is I may save the money for a week and then use it on a 50 to 100 pounds a day to see the data, because the data is the first requirement in optimizing and getting more. The second thing is after the data is optimizing your landing page. Okay guys, you need to understand you are paying for each visitor to land on your website, so optimize your landing page experience. See what your competitors are doing, and also look for the competitors on their ad copies and their landing pages and their offers, so then you have an idea of what's working well for them, and do a comparison with your own landing page and product to see if your product or service is better than them or not. So once you do a thorough comparison, you can figure out on what's working well for your business. So after this, you once you are done with your optimizing your landing page, competitor activities, then come up with your mastering campaign plan. Okay, creating a campaign plan. How you are assuming that you are happy with 10 clicks? What do you want? You want clicks or you want sales? If you, I know that you want sales. So your once you are done with your optimizing your landing page, you need to optimize your ad copies. Again, a simple ad copy and an optimized ad copy has a huge impact. Now because I use one of the tool to show people on how an optimized ad looks. Again, you may find this in many of my videos, because the ad optimization is very important and the landing page optimization is also very important. Just giving you a few ideas, how you can make your ad very attractive. We can add few extensions over here, and this has made our ad very attractive with advertisement rating, site links, price extension, plus if we remove the site link extension, and we can show you the address map, so you can use either of them as well. We haven't used location extension yet, so we can use the location extension. So you can see that your ad has eventually become very attractive with this one. And if I can use the site link extension, the ad is going to be furthermore attention generating. So use these assets, work on your search term reports to see what keywords are working well for you. Look for your ad positions, which time works well. Look for your days, time, hours, when you are getting most conversions. Look for that data. When you're getting for most clicks, look for that time. Also install fraud click prevention tool. Otherwise, the competitors may also be clicking on your ads to waste your money. So there are so many things in optimizing your Google Ads campaign, but these are the few of the things which I can tell you based on the data with what you have given to me. But in case if you want a detailed audit of your Google Ads account, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we can help you in auditing, optimizing your Google Ads campaign. We can also help you in setting up campaigns plus monthly management. Plus, we can also help you in landing pages, funnels. There are so many things which me and my team can do. So you can hire us through the link in the description. I hope you like this video. We look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.